Well, this is my ChatGPT account, and as you can see right now, the name of my account is just X, and also that's how ChatGPT addressed me. Now, I want to change the name of my account, but I cannot do it directly in ChatGPT. And also, there are a few things that you need to know if you want to change the name of your ChatGPT account, because there are two different names that are actually used by ChatGPT. First is the account name, which is this one, and secondly is the nickname. So that's the name that is used by ChatGPT to address you. And I'm going to show how you can change the nickname first, and then later I'm going to show you how you can change the account name. So to change the nickname, you can either just click on the name right here, or you can also just navigate to the settings, and then you can go to personalization, and then you can specify the nickname. In this case, I want to change it to, let's say, John, and then click save. So basically after that, ChatGPT will start addressing you with that new name. So as you can see, the name has changed. So it's very easy. But again, it was a nickname, not the account name. Now, if you want to change the account name, then you have to use the browser version of ChatGPT. So let's navigate to platform.openai.com, and you have to log in with your ChatGPT account. So just provide the email. You can also provide maybe phone number depending on how you log in to ChatGPT. And here I'm going to just select my password and continue. Now, after you have logged in to your OpenAI account, you can click a menu that has this icon. It is a gear icon, so just click it. But I do aware that there are some people that don't have this icon on their account. So in case you don't see that, I'm going to provide the link of this page in the description down below, so you can click it. Now here I got the organization name, and it is the organization, not the account name. To change the account name, you can navigate to your profile, and then you can specify the name for your account. Here I want to use the same as the nickname, which is John, and then click save. But bear in mind that the changes might take several minutes, perhaps even hours, until you can see the new name on your ChatGPT account. So that's one thing that you need to know when you're changing the name on your ChatGPT account. So yeah, that's basically how you can change the name of your ChatGPT account alongside with the nickname. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.